So what's next? Meditation is a beautiful practice and tool to make part of your everyday life. Whether you're using it to gain deeper relaxation, personal growth and evolution, spiritual awareness, or anything else, meditation will bring many benefits to your life. One thing to keep in mind is that there are plenty of people out in the wide world who will jump at the chance to tell you that you are doing it wrong or their way is the only way. This is not the case, as every single person is unique, and meditation is about as personal an experience as one can have. It always amazes me when I run meditation groups how 10 people all sitting next to each other, all listening to the exact same meditation, can all have completely unique experiences, understandings, and aha moments. I've witnessed people have deeply spiritual awakenings, while others laughed profusely at the comical visions that their mind created. Always remember, the experience you have, whatever your mind conjures up, is the right one for you. No one else can experience your mind for you. Be wary of those who claim otherwise.